Ever stared at a piece of mail addressed to your old place and felt that little jolt of panic? You're not alone. We've all been there. Especially when it comes to vital financial information, like the kind you get from your bank. Today, we're tackling a common question for Neon Bank users: how exactly do you change your address? Let's face it, life happens. You move apartments, you relocate for a job, maybe you just want a change of scenery. Whatever the reason, keeping your bank details up to date is crucial. It ensures you receive important communications, avoids potential fraud issues, and keeps your account secure. But navigating the intricacies of online banking can sometimes feel like trying to decipher an ancient scroll. So, you're sitting there, phone in hand, Neon Bank app open, wondering, where do I even start? Don't worry, we're going to walk through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Neon Bank app. Outdated versions can sometimes have glitches or missing features. Updates often include improved user interfaces and security patches, which are essential for a smooth and safe banking experience. Now, open the app and log in using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look for the Profile or Settings section. This is usually represented by a small icon, often a person's silhouette or a gear, located in a corner of the screen. Tap on it. Within the Profile or Settings, you'll find various options related to your account. Look for something that says Personal Information, Address, or something similar. The exact wording might vary slightly, but it should be relatively clear. Tap on the Address section. You'll likely see your current address displayed. Now, here's where the magic happens. You should see an option to edit or update your address. This might be a button or a link labeled Edit, Change, or Update. Tap on that option. You'll be presented with fields to enter your new address. Make sure you have your new address details handy. This includes your street address, apartment number, if applicable, city, state, and zip code. Carefully enter your new address information. Double-check everything for accuracy. A small typo can lead to significant issues down the line. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, look for a Save, Confirm, or Submit button. Tap on it. You might be asked to confirm your identity for security purposes. This could involve entering your password, using biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition, or receiving a verification code via SMS or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once your address change is confirmed, you should receive a notification within the app or via email. Keep this confirmation for your records. Now, here's a pro tip. After changing your address, take a moment to review other personal information in your profile. Make sure your phone number, email address, and other details are also up to date. This ensures you receive all important communications from Neon Bank. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Neon Bank's customer support. They're there to help you resolve any problems and ensure your account information is accurate. You can usually find their contact information within the app or on the Neon Bank website. Changing your address on Neon Bank is a simple process, but it's an important one. By keeping your information up to date, you're taking a proactive step in managing your finances and ensuring your security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.